Hello students, welcome to today's computer class. Today we will continue learning more about the Excel application. Students, what did we learn in our last video session? Yes, we learned about what is mini toolbar, how to move around the spreadsheet, and how to enter data such as text, numbers, numbers as text, formulas, and date and time in a cell. In this video, we will learn how to change the alignment of data in MS Excel and how to save our work. Data alignment. Alignment refers to the positioning of characters within the cell. Excel offers a variety of horizontal and vertical alignments and orientations for displaying text and numeric entries in a cell or a range. You can change the alignment of entries if you want to using the alignment group from the Home tab or selecting Format Cells from the shortcut menu. If you click the arrow at the bottom right corner of the alignment group or select Format Cells from the right-click menu, you will be presented with the following dialog box. You can see it in the picture. Horizontal alignment. All the options under this heading decide the position or alignment of data within a cell horizontally. There are 7 options: General, Left, Center, Right, Fill, Justify, and Center Across Selection. General option aligns the text to the left, numbers to the right, and all the error and logical values to the center by default. Left option aligns the cell entry to the left. This option is used for aligning the text in the center of the cell. This aligns the cell entry to the right of the cell. This option fills selected cells evenly with a single character. The Justify command splits a long cell entry into several cells or combines text from several cells to evenly fill a range of cells. Center Across Selection option centers the text across the selected cells regardless of varying column width. What is Reptex? This option breaks a long line of text into multiple lines to fit within the cell. Excel breaks the lines to fit the column width, but you can insert specific line breaks with Alt plus Enter. You can see it in the picture. The vertical alignment settings control the alignment of entries between the top and bottom of the cell. There are four options under this heading: top, center, bottom, justify. This option positions the contents at the top of the cell. This option, when selected, centers the contents vertically within the cell. This option positions the contents at the bottom of the cell. Justifies the lines vertically from top to bottom of the cell and automatically wraps the text. The orientation setting controls how the text is oriented or displayed within the cell. The orientation can be changed by degree. For example, you may want to display the text in a cell at a 45-degree orientation. The row height adjusts automatically to the orientation of the cell contents. You can see it in the picture. Now let's see how to select a worksheet area in our document. You can make three kinds of worksheet selection. They are a single cell, a range of cells, non-adjacent cells. To select a single cell, the cursor should be moved to the cell you want to active or select, and the left mouse button should be clicked. To select a range of cells, point to the first cell of the proposed range and hold down the left mouse button and drag it through the remaining cells to be selected. To make non-adjacent selections, click the first cell or drag through the first range and hold down the Control key as each additional cell or each additional range is being selected. How to get help in Excel 2007. One can get help using the Microsoft Office Excel Help button, which is at the top right corner below the Applications Close button. You can also access help by pressing the F1 function key. How to save your work. There are two methods to save your work. Let us see the first method. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer to the Office button and click the left button. Step 2. From the menu that appears on the screen, choose the Save As command. A list of different formats appears, allowing you to choose how you wish to save the workbook. You can choose to save the workbook in the Excel 2007 format. Step 3. In the Save In box, select the folder where you wish to save your workbook. Type in the name of your workbook as practice and save it. In Excel 2007, all the files are given the extension .xlsx. Now let's see the second method. You can also save a file using the Save icon located on the Quick Access toolbar. If you are working with an old file that has been saved at least once, the Save command automatically uses the current file name to save the file. How to cancel a command? If you choose an option you do not want to perform, you can cancel it by pressing the Escape key located at the upper left corner of the keyboard. How to come out of Excel 2007? To come out of Excel 2007, use the Close Application button at the top right hand corner of the application window. Students, we will see a new chapter in our next session.